Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this, which is a 21-foot leaf cover for your swimming pool. This is going to work out really great because we've actually got a 20-foot above ground pool, and so I'm going to be taking it out and showing you how this is going to work. It does come with a little instruction guide that of course does go over how you're supposed to do this, but a couple of the notable features I do like about this is one is the hardware that it sends is this nice coated wire that does have metal as far as the ability to ratchet this down, which is going to come in handy to secure that to keep it from blowing off during storms. And the fact that this thing here, it feels very robust. I can see it's got some stainless steel eyelets that are there that this wire is going to go through. And this seems to be a very nice, dense material, so it should keep out a lot of small debris. So what I'm going to do is take this outside, I'm going to unroll it, get this fed through, and we'll show you how it goes on. So the first step we're going to do now that we're out here by the pool is you can use a pool deck or just use the ground. We're going to expand this thing completely out to the full 21 feet. And then we're going to go through, and it's got this wonderfully braided edge, it's a nice reinforced edge. We're actually just going to take this cable and going to loop it in and out of here through all this. And then I'm going to get a helper to help me get this thing up and over the edge of the pool so we can then show you how to tighten it down. All right, they give you plenty of cable. So we've gone ahead and looped it all the way through. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this. This is the little locking mechanism. We're going to go ahead and get it situated and you're going to feed it through. And I'm going to just go ahead and give us plenty of room right now. Plenty of slack. I just don't want this to pull back through those eyelets, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this through and just go ahead and give it a little bit of tension. You can release that tension using that button there. That will release it. So I just want to get it to where it's not going to pull through for now. Then we'll loosen it up and tighten it down here in a minute. So as you can clearly see, this actually easily covers the entire pool, and it went on really smooth. What I'm going to do now is take off the excess here, because again, like I said, they send you some excess. We're going to pull it taut and slide this part down here, making sure that you pull out all that slack. And then as we get up here, I'm going to go ahead and stop. Now that we're clear up here like this, I'm going to go ahead and start cranking this down. And what this will do is as this twists around the end of this here, it's going to put pressure on this line, bring it in here. And that'll make that nice and tight to where that's not going to pull up and over the edge of the pool. You can either cut off the excess or just tuck it back in for next year. But this right here has a very nice mesh that's going to provide a nice base to where whenever you get debris and things like that that happen to fall in the pool, it's not going to fall down to the bottom of your pool. I mean, this thing is tough enough. Like I said, it can hold something like that. It's going to keep little sticks and things like that from getting out into your pool. So if your little sticks fall down in there, it's the next season, when you drain your pool or you get ready to clean it off, you just grab it from one side, have a friend help you, pull all the little fine little debris that's off of there, shake it out, let it dry, roll it up, and it's good again for next year.